The Quick Access toolbar, which appears right below the title bar, collects all the most commonly used, most frequently used items, commands that you will use during your work. For example, opening a project, saving the project, printing, undo, redo, copy, paste, erase, and so on. Now this is a list that is by default there. Once you install the software, it is listing all those commands automatically. And also you have the option to add a few of the commands that you would like to access quickly. Now I will just find a command in the drafting ribbon bar, which I use frequently during my creating my drawings, and that will be the simple line command. So I just drop down this list, and instead of starting the line command, I right click there, and there is the option to add this command or any other command to the Quick Access toolbar. So once I click there, it automatically appears there, and right away I can just click on it, start the command, and create any number of lines that I wanted to create. Now, on the other hand, if you would like to remove something from the Quick Access toolbar, you can do this the other way around. In that case, you right click on the command that appears in the Quick Access toolbar, and in the appearing menu, you will select the Remove from Quick Access toolbar, and this will make that command automatically disappear.